Good afternoon, dear traders. This is Alex Gerchik and Gerchik and Company, and today we're going to talk about the stock market. First of all, I want to show you Spider. Spider first. Take a look at the Spider. Hold on just 1 second. I'll share my screen and we'll begin. What we see about the Spider, that the Spider right now is basically building a base, and it's very important where the Spider is going to guide you, because if you take a look right here at 29.50 is a very big support for Spider. Why? The Spider doesn't want to take it down, so it's very important to look at the Spider. And the Spider right now 29.50 holding that level extremely strong. The most important thing, you have to watch out how this level is going to survive. It's a very, very important thing. What is going to be with the Spider? And most likely the Spider is not going to hold on, and we're going to see the breakdown 29.50, and I think we're going to go lower for the Spider. I don't think we're going to basically see a new highs for the Spider, and I don't see the Spider basically going much higher. I see the problem with Spider is going to pull back to the level of 28.50, and then we'll see. The next stock is Tesla. As I said, basically in every webinar, the Tesla is not like really nicely tradable stock. For me, Tesla is extremely crazy stock, and me personally, I don't trade Tesla. The only reason I put Tesla in the list because a lot of traders, basically, they're asking me to explain Tesla. It's not possible to explain the stock because this stock trading the way it wants. Every time is different news. One day trading like this, one day trading like that. And me personally, I don't like Tesla. I don't like to trade Tesla. I don't understand anything about this company, how this company even surviving. They're losing so much money. So I want to watch out what's going to be with the Tesla. Amazon. If you take a look, my last webinar, I said that Amazon and Facebook are going to drop down. And as you see, we're really dropping down. I think that Facebook and Amazon is going to go lower. Here's a Facebook. Here's Amazon. And why they're going to go lower? Because pretty much they're not done anything over the year period. If you're going to take a look at the beginning of the year, in January 2019, pretty much the Amazon is only up just slightly over 10%. Not even, I think. Hold on, let's see. Okay, right here, 2019, 1600 is now 1724, so we're up $100. We're up not even 5%, and it's really scary. Why? Because if the company is growing at such a big pace, but the price is not, going up more than 5%, something is wrong with this company. Completely, something is wrong. So my advice to you is extremely simple: watch out for the Amazon and watch out for Facebook. Alibaba, I always like the stock. The company got destroyed for one simple reason. As you know, the Trump tweet in his Twitter that he's gonna go to war. I mean, not a real war, but the economic and politic war with China. He was saying that he's going to destroy the Chinese economy. He's going to take the Chinese stocks out of the New York Stock Exchange. This is basically crazy accusation. And of course, the stock basically it's pulling back. So you have to watch out. But overall, if the Alibaba is going to survive $165 level, then basically Alibaba can go higher. Apple, as you know, I was very bullish about the Apple. Apple is doing very well. I think the Apple is an extremely nice stock. The company making a lot of money, and I think personally that Apple stock is going to do very well. And my advice to you: watch out for Apple. I think it's a very nice company. As I said, you see, beginning of the year, it did very well. It more than 50% up, and big hedge fund managers are going to support that stock. Google, basically, I am bullish about the Google overall. If government will not give them a hard time, Google basically can survive very well. As you see, take a look at the Google is up 20% for a year, which is not bad at all. And I think the Google is really going to survive. Uber and Lyft, there's the two stocks which I think are going to get destroyed. Uber and Lyft, Lyft even worse. I think those two stocks are going to get destroyed, and I think personally you can really make money on it. So what I would do, I would definitely watch for those companies, Uber down and lift down. As well, I'm very short on Beyond Meat. I think the stock is going to collapse. And if you remember a few weeks ago, I talked about as a short opportunity, and it did went down. And right now, it looks like it's going to go down again. And Teva, I'm short on Teva, and I think Teva is going to go lower as well. And then there's a few stocks that I told you about, the small stocks. One of them is SNDL. It's got destroyed. You see, take a look. GMIA, it's got destroyed, and the stocks, it looks like it's going to go lower. There's another company I also say, GNLN. It's going to go lower. And guys, thank you very much. All the best. Make money with us. PCG is also going to go lower. Thank you.